Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn on equalizer in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To look for our equalizer, we have to go to Settings, then Sounds and Vibration, and at the bottom of this list we have Sound Quality and Effects. And here is our equalizer. By default it's set up to normal. We can of course change it a fair bit by choosing music style, or we can set up custom here, change it as we want, or we can change our existing one and it will automatically change to custom if we just want to adjust it a bit. As you can see, classic, let's change classic, and it will turn to custom. Back out. Our equalizer is now set as custom. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.